Oh, what you doing?
Jävla negativ.
Staying in it with the car.
Hello guys. What want to do?
Morning guys, I'm almost naked, it's okay.
Thank you. Naked?
No, it's Sunday, fuck is around 9? No, 9:30 maybe, yeah. The guys are preparing to go back to Sweden, so Reino, Joachim and Billy are heading back to Sweden. They're gonna fly from Bilbao, and me, Emil and Robin are going to Motorland. So hopefully we can get the car working today properly, or maybe we get to know that the engine might be a bit bad, but we'll see. So let them go away to Sweden, and let's move on further down into Spain.
Det är godnatt.
Jag vet.
Auf Wiedersehen. Cheers. Cheers.
Behind. We're following Alexander Claudin, I think it's called, the Claude. We're following him to some kind of desert to do some rad shooting. So hopefully we might get the car to start there and we can do some rad stuff. But let's leave and head over to Motorland tonight. Fuck you.
Bye bye, Turkey de Navarra.
Problems are not real.
Oh, what you doing? What you doing?
Käkat lite så att det verkar. Bärs. Wey! Låter din bil klunkigt? Klunk. Okej. Okay. Är det en dålig väg?
So
we're on our way to Alcaniz, to Motorland, and we're gonna do a test driving of the track that Volrace is hosting their summer event on. So we're excited to trying a new track, but as we told you before, the car is running a bit bad because it's only running on 5 cylinders. So hopefully we can figure out what's wrong. Maybe it's a dirty injector or something from when we changed the lines or stuff. But we're gonna try to get there now and try to fix it. So hopefully that works and we get to try another track when we're here. So otherwise it's gonna be cervezas all the time instead. Det första jag tänkte var att inte göra snäva svängar på ett tag. Tonight we have a new place to live.
yeah.
Sukasa, Mikasa Sukasa.
Yeah, el furo everywhere oh.
It's like a sauna.
Like sauna everywhere.
This is Emil Fabian's room.
Hey.
Emil, Robin,
Martin, Emil,
Robin. So this is our place for tonight. We're making fun of Bastian, but it's okay. So we had a great day. Today we arrived at the Motorland in Alcaniz, I think it was called, and we just had some dinner and now we're gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow we're gonna try to fix the car, hopefully it works, because I really want to drive this track. So let's go to sleep and just round it off with this clip because it's the best clip. What the fuck? This is the best clip from today.
Martin? Who is that? Robin! Emil!
And he's farting. Emil! Good night, motherfuckers!
Så här värmer man upp sitt team på morgonen i Spanien. Värmepumpen var ju inte på. Så det var jävligt kallt i stugan under hela natten.
Start the heating pump when you go to bed, don't you think?
Yeah.
The thing is, there's no isolation in the cabin,
Yeah,
and it's like 0 degrees outside.
No, it's
So,
probably less.
Yep.
This was our heater for the morning. Heat up our pants, our shoes,
And me, my horse.
And then I thought I'd take a shower. That would be a good idea. So I started on the shower, went into the room, and when I was taking the step in, it was over. So no more hot water. Fuck. So now let's go down and eat. We turn on the pumps. Hopefully it's warm when we come back. Ooh, good morning. Morning.
Yeah?
Morning.
Money?
Money! Money!
Morning.
Money? Money?
Croissant.
Croissant.
Do you want a croissant? It's a silent S. A croissant.
Yeah, that's it. No?
American Dieselbauer. Good morning!
Good morning.
Where are we heading?
Alcaniz Motorland.
Are you tired?
Yes, my lens isn't working.
Yeah. Are you cold?
Oh fuck.
I can't see. Fucking shit. Dun, 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 dun. Oui. Aragon, like in Sagan om ringen.
Lord of the Rings.
Så vi inte har ett jobbigt kompressionsfel, för då är det slut på Spanienresan troligtvis.
Nej, Nej, det är inte.
Nej.
Mässigt är det inte slut på Spanien. Det är kul, det är så negativt. Och helvete. Jävla negativt.
Jävla negativ. Well, hello.
Hello. Hola.
We're live.
We're live. Yay.
We're live in the 405.
Whoa.
Yeah, the car is running.
Yay, we had
very
a great. We had the best day ever here at Motorland. The car worked. We fucking smashed all them 60 tires, all the fuel, or no, nothing, because we didn't get the car to work. We started out troubleshooting the car. We just started to warm it up a bit. Still we're running on 5 cylinders. We did some more in-depth troubleshooting, and we saw that there was water in cylinder 1, and it actually was kind of filling up when we actually had the spark plug out, so we had a really big leak.
Solid dripping down the cylinder.
So we decided to take a long shot because we have driven so far. So we poured in a Bars leak. It's like a American sealant for radiators that's leaking, or they actually think that it also can seal head gaskets. So we took the chance because why not? We're here. We actually seemed to have lost the water
leakage.
in.
We controlled the leakage, but still run some 5 cylinders.
Yeah, the leakage is gone, but somehow we're still running on 5 cylinders. We tried to change the place of the injectors. We tried to we make sure that we have all the signals for the ignition coils and the injectors, but nothing worked. We also did a hillbilly compression test by removing the spark plug and listening if the sound is similar, and it sounds similar on 1 and 2. So yeah, we're kind of lack of ideas of what it could be, so we have to probably pull off the cylinder head and check what happened. But we're not going to do that down here in Spain, because now we missed the chance of driving on Motorland. That was today, and tomorrow is El Vendrell, the go-kart camp. So we're gonna call it quits on the car for this trip. We don't feel that disappointed anyways, because we did a really fun event at Pamplona, and we had a really good time at Volrace, even though we had some misfires. But yeah, overall it's been a really good trip. The sun is out, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of the trip by going to El Vendrell, and then on Wednesday we're gonna check out the Formula 1 testing. So it's gonna be a good trip anyway. So thank you for staying in it with the car. And now
time for cerveza.
Yeah, cerveza, and check out the track, and then go to El Vendrell. So thank you.
Goodbye.